In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu with NordVPN so you can securely stream your favorite shows while protecting your online privacy. Let's dive in. Start by signing up for a NordVPN subscription and downloading the app on your device. Install the app, log into your account, and connect to a server in the United States. Hulu is only available in the US, so this step is crucial if you're located outside the country. Once connected, open the Hulu app or website, log in to your Hulu account, and start streaming as usual. NordVPN encrypts your internet connection, ensuring your activity remains private and bypassing any geo-restrictions. If Hulu detects a VPN and blocks access, simply switch to a different US server in NordVPN for uninterrupted streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your favorite shows on Hulu.